Welcome to this introduction of how to cost food using Spec. So today we're going to be creating a burger. So we're going to head over to our product library. We'll go to add products and we'll add our 80% ground beef. We're going to add a product family. We'll add a category. Product family, category, and subcategory are used to help organize your product library. But for today, we're just going to use other. And as you can see, we've already added our other products for the recipes that we're going to be using. So we can go to our product format. And we can add our unit size for our ground beef. So this would be 1 pound. And this will be a bag. We can go to our purchase unit now. And this will be a pound. This will be 1 unit for $6. And as you can see, we are getting our cost per breakdown. So now we can go ahead and head over to our recipes. So we'll create a new recipe. This will be our garlic oil. And we can add our labor costs. So this will be $20 an hour. It will take us 30 minutes to make, and it will yield 1 quart. We can add our ingredients. So first, we're going to have 2 pounds of garlic. Here's our garlic product. We can add another ingredient. So this will be 4 cups of oil. And we're all finished with this. We can add another recipe. This will be our caramelized onions. This will also be at $20 an hour. This will take us 1 hour to make. And this will yield 22 pounds. We can add an ingredient. So this is going to be 20 pounds of yellow onion. It'll also have 2 tablespoons of black pepper. We're also going to have 2 tablespoons of salt. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of sugar. Fix this. All right, and we are all finished with our caramelized onions. So we can go ahead and make our burger sauce. So this will be at $20 an hour. This will take us 15 minutes. And this will yield 2 quarts. We can add our ingredients here. So this will be 8 cups of mayonnaise. Be 6 cups of mustard. Then we'll have 2 cups of our garlic oil. Then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of salt. All right, and we are all finished with that recipe. So now we can finally go to our burger recipe. All right, so this is also going to be $20 an hour. This will take us about 3 minutes to make, and this will yield 1 burger. So we can go ahead and add our ingredients. First, we're going to use 1 count of our buns. We use about a 1/4 pound of our burger. Our ground beef. We're going to use 1 piece of cheese. Each burger has 3 pickles. We're going to have 2 ounces of our caramelized onions. And then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of our burger sauce. And as you can see, you have products in here. You also have recipes. Here's our burger sauce. Now we're going to do about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to do the same thing with our black pepper. All right, and as you can see, we're getting our cost breakdown. So you have our ingredient break cost, and then you have your labor costs from your recipes, and then you can see your total cost up at the top. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.